Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Acer Iconia M10 and let me share with you how to enable the night light or eye comfort mode. So we will begin with the customization of this mode, and after that I'll show much faster access to it. So let's enter the settings first of all. Now we have to find the display, let's tap on it, and here let's find the night light. We can turn it on without the customization just by tapping on this on the switch right here, and you can see that the screen turns yellowish or amber. It is basically in order to filter the blue light. It will be also much easier for you to look at the screen at the dim light. So if you're a night owl, then I highly recommend to use this mode. As I said, we can customize it. So let's tap on this night light directly, and here we've got the intensity switcher. By going to the left you can make it cooler, and by going to the right, warmer. So it's of course up to you which intensity is the most comfortable for you. You can also schedule that feature, so you can choose the option none, which means that, and then it is a manual option. You have to manually turn it on and off. You can turn it on at custom time, so you can choose specific start and end time, and of course your device will apply the night light accordingly. Or you can turn it on from sunset to sunrise, and it means that your device will automatically decide when the sunsets and sunrises are. It is location based. I will choose and then none option. Alright, so this is basically how it works, and if you want to, you can have much faster access to this option. Simply unroll the top bar. Let's unroll it fully, I mean the top bar here with the options, to find the proper icon, which is right here, the night light. So let's simply tap on it to turn it on. You can see how the colors are affected by the night light, and tap on it again to turn it off. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.